Hi, I'm Prakash. Welcome to my channel. In this short video, I want to show you my hometown. I'm living in the south of Germany, close to a big lake, one of the biggest lakes in Europe, which is called Lake Constance, and in German it's called Bodensee. And the beauty of it is the lake is bordering to three different countries. So we have the north, we have Germany, and the east we have Austria, and to the south we have the Switzerland. So if I just go out of this room onto the balcony or the terrace and the weather is clear, I can see the full Alps, the Swiss Alps. So this is a beautiful panorama view which I have, and especially in the early mornings. I wake up pretty early morning, just before the sunrise, so I can go out to the balcony and do some yoga. So when I go out and the sun goes up, especially in the summertime or even in winter, there's somewhere there up, and you can see the Swiss Alps in this orange light. So I just want to introduce you this beautiful region. This is one of the most popular regions in Germany amongst the local tourists, because during the summertime you have the opportunity to do such a lot of activities because of the big lake. You can go out with a kayak, you can go around the lake on a bike, and we also have the wine region. So there are also vineyards around this lake, Bodensee Lake. So you can also just go hiking, just for a walk, and with a bike. So there are so many activities which you can do, and we have a lot of orchards also. So in this video I want to just give you an overview of this region. I don't want to really go into the details. On a different video, or on different videos, I'm going to be doing some detailed capturing of this region and show you those things. So especially in this video I just want to give you this overview because this is a beautiful region due to the fact that we have all these three different countries, and it's cultural wise, it's very, very rich, and the food is fantastic. You have all the possibilities. You just take the ferry and go to Switzerland, and you have the most beautiful tasting cheeses which you can buy. And if you just go a little bit further to the Austria, so the further south, deep into Germany and then to Austria, then you have this beautiful foods, the southern food, which is really, really tasty. So you have egg noodles, it's called spätzle, and with some, and especially in winter time you have this with some wild ragouts and everything. It's really fantastic tasting food which we have here. And so just the beauty of it is from here where we are, the houses, and if you just look out through this window that's to the north, we have a very beautiful viewpoint from where we can see this whole lake. From the west side up to the east, you can, even if the weather is really clear, you can see actually the coastline of the Austria. Yes, so I'll be making some more, as I said before, I will be making some more detailed videos about the life in South Germany, and I'll be traveling a little bit more and doing some more activities. Especially I will be going also with my boat also out kayaking and canoeing, and to make some footage also. And then I'll be hiking on the mountains in Austria. And so if you're interested in finding out more about the life in the south of Germany or close to the border like this on this lake, please do subscribe. I'll be posting more videos on those, detailed videos, things which I've already planned and which I've already taken, which are in the post-production. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, take care, be happy. Bye-bye.